Hey, citizens.
Hold on.
Look at this beautiful lady right here. She decided she was going to do the Ancestry DNA challenge. Well, not challenge. It's not even a challenge. A test. She decided she was going to do that Ancestry DNA test. So what made you decide to do it, Mom?
My daughter.
Okay, that's me. First of all, I'm talking, but I didn't really say anything. I'm just excited that she's going to be able to do it because we've been finding so many relatives, and I'm so excited just to see quickly who of my list is on her list. You gonna read the instructions?
Yes. Go to ancestrydna.com.
Well, we'll need to do that right now. We'll do it later.
Enter the 15-digit activation code from the collection tube. Don't need that either.
We'll do it later.
We're
gonna
fill the tube with saliva.
Yes, the saliva test.
To the black wavy line. I don't even know if I have that much spit. Or saliva. Replace the funnel with the cap.
Yeah. Okay. So let's start there.
Tighten to release stabilizing fluids.
Right. So let's go ahead and do that piece.
Okay.
You see the okay, so here's the tube. She's gonna open that up. There's a code on it and stuff. She gotta spit all the way to the line. You have enough saliva in your mouth for that. And you haven't eaten for over 30 minutes, correct?
Correct.
Alright. And look, my cousin's just gonna walk through.
I might need some of your spit.
We can't, cause that's gonna be like it's gonna be confusing. That's the stabilizing stuff once she puts the spit in there. Okay.
Did I even brush my teeth with water?
No, brush your teeth.
So this is only one kit?
Do not brush your teeth. Do not eat anything
30 minutes prior.
30 minutes prior to.
That's why my mom spits. How cute are we? Look at me and Charlie. Look at my cousin. He's so cute. Ew.
I'm gonna pay these people for this.
Say cheese.
Regimen.
Hold on. We're doing. Oh, she punched herself in the face.
She got on boxing gloves.
Was that hard? Was it difficult?
It really wasn't because the bottom of this tube actually stops around here somewhere. So you're really not spitting all the way down here.
All right. So she got that good sample.
I thought I was going to put in work for real. So I took the funnel off right there, that thing right there, that contraption. And I'm going to not put it that way, but turn it over and screw it
there.
Like so.
Go ahead and do it.
Tighten to release stabilizing fluid.
So you gotta tighten it. Twist it on there. She'll eventually get it.
That's Canadian Queen 76 dude. Go and find it exclusively on YouTube. Oh yeah.